In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the new Microsoft Teams chat and channels experience. With recent updates, Microsoft Teams has revamped its chat and channels interface to streamline communication and collaboration, making it more intuitive. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or a newcomer, these steps will help you effortlessly manage your chats and channels. First off, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll notice a sleek interface designed to support video conferencing, meetings, and more. You can easily access this by navigating to the Microsoft Teams group chat software page. This is your starting point for all things related to Teams. Now, let's move on to signing in. You'll find the sign in option prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this is necessary to access the full range of features Teams has to offer. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface of Microsoft Teams. Next, let's start a new conversation. On your Teams dashboard, you'll see a new chat icon, typically depicted as a pencil or speech bubble symbol. Click on this icon and it will open up a fresh chat window. This is where you can initiate one-on-one or group conversations with your colleagues or friends. It's a convenient way to ensure your communication stays organized and exclusive to the people you intend to discuss matters with. After opening a new chat, you'll want to specify who you're aiming to communicate with. In the recipient field of your new chat window, type the person's name. Microsoft Teams automatically suggests contacts as you type, making it easier to find the individual you're searching for. If you're adding multiple people, simply keep typing their names until you've included everyone you'd like to chat with. Once you've got your recipient list set up, it's time to type your message. In the message field, you can compose your thoughts, share information, or simply check in with your peers. Microsoft Teams offers various formatting options such as bold, italics, and bullet points to enhance your message's clarity. Feel free to utilize these features to make your messages more engaging and readable. And there you have it, you've just navigated through the basics of using the new Microsoft Teams chat and channels experience. By following these steps, you can easily manage your conversations and foster collaboration. Don't forget, you can explore more advanced features like file sharing or integrating apps, which can further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you explore the new Microsoft Teams experience.